Stop scrolling. What you're about to hear sounds completely fake, but it is 100% real. A man with zero medical training once performed emergency chest surgery on a wounded soldier during the Korean War. No medical degree, no license, nothing, and the patient survived. His name was Ferdinand Waldo Damara Jr., and he was the greatest imposter who ever lived. Over several decades, he successfully pretended to be a naval officer, a prison warden, a monk, a college professor, and a surgeon. Not once did he steal a single dollar. Watch till the end because this is where it gets insane. Before each surgery aboard a Royal Canadian Navy warship, he would read medical textbooks the night before. Then he would walk in the next morning and operate. Every single patient lived. He was only caught because one of his recovering patients recognized his face from a Life magazine article about his earlier cons. Think about that. The man had no credentials. The people he cut open are alive. So was he a criminal or something else entirely?